In this video, we'll walk through how to change decorations and background colours. Adding, changing or removing decorations. To manage decorations on your certificate, click the Decorations and Badges button. To remove a decoration and leave your certificate free of any decorations, click the square labelled Click to Remove Badge or Decoration. To add or change a decoration, browse through the available images and click on the one you'd like to use. Use the category buttons above the decoration panel of images to explore the different types of images that are available to you. A tip: clicking a category button again will hide that category's decoration set from the gallery view. You can scroll up to the editor window at any time to review your updated design. Changing the background colour. To switch to a different background colour variation, click the Backgrounds button below the editor window. Then, click on the colour thumbnail you want to apply. Scroll up to the editor window to preview how it looks on your certificates. Then, to make any adjustments, use the Editor button and then adjust your text accordingly.